What's up, y'all? So how are you guys doing today, man? You already know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to tell you guys how grateful I am just to be able to see another day, but also to be able to continue to live my dream, which is me being able to flip my money. If you are somebody that you're looking to grow, you're looking to build your business, you're looking to learn how to sell online, I'm the guy. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please do. And today we're going to be talking about a few orders that we have in regards to the Hustler Max clones. Again, I get a lot of questions, and today I want to address the difference between the OEM and the clones, right? So you can get one of these for $65, all right? And you can also go ahead and get 6 for $150. You can get 12 for $325. I'm telling you right now, these clones are one of the best items you can sell and not risk your account's health, if that makes sense. Like, I've tried to break this down in so many different ways, but it's like when you're used to fast money, it's hard for you to gain the concept of actually doing and selling the right way, right? And I understand, right? So we have somebody that ordered 6 black. And I'm adding an extra one just because I'm doing this video on their order. But again, these are clones. They don't have any Apple logo on them. Instead of the Apple logo, they replaced the Apple logo with a dot. And when you open it, again, these can come in plastic. So I have some with plastic on it, and I have some with just the cardboard. Hold on, let me show you. When you open it, right? Yes, they come with the bubble wrap. I advise people you can take the bubble wrap off, but again, these are not being sold as Apple AirPod Maxes. These are just clones, okay? You open it up, okay? And you're literally, this is heavy. You can tell the quality. You can tell literally that it's the same exact thing as the replicas, but just a copy version, and it doesn't have any copyright material, right? And that was one of the most important things I was looking at. So I don't want to take everything out the package because this is actually shipping to someone. But again, you can look at my unboxing and you can clearly see that these are really good copies. And the reason I wanted to get copies is because, again, I talk to people that get banned from eBay all the time. I help people get unbanned from eBay. Book a call, I can help you. To everybody that's sitting there asking me to help them, the fastest way is obviously to book a call. I give you all of my attention. We go on a video call and I literally look through your profile, or we create one together. All right. But a lot of people are seeing success with these clones because they're able to list these up. I list mine up for $80, $85. Some have listed up to $90, even to $100. I'm not going over 100. See, this is where a lot of people mess up. They go ahead and get the replicas. They pay around $120 to $150 per pair, and then they charge $200, $250. And the customer's already expecting it at that point, at that price point, to be a legit pair of headphones. If you're not really giving them the full legit pair of headphones that are exactly like Apple, mind you, these connect just like the regular ones. If you're not giving them what they expect, they're going to do a charge off, right? They're going to do a chargeback. They're going to act like, hey, I didn't get it. And you're going to be the one to actually ship it. Like, all right, let me create a picture. And this picture happens all the time to people that sell on eBay. And it's unfortunate, but it happens. And I try to tell people, I try to warn people, but not a lot of people understand or grasp the concept of being able to decipher fast money and longevity, right? So you go ahead, you buy replicas. Let's say you buy 6 of them. You kick out almost $850 for some replicas. You're then listing them for $230, let's say, right? You put them on eBay. You're getting all of these sales, right? Because people are like, oh, that's a good price point, supposedly, right? Let's just say. They're like, oh, that's a good price point. So they go and buy it from you. Now, they buy these, you ship them out. You pay for the shipping because you offer free shipping. Now, you're waiting for eBay to release your money. And then all of a sudden, when all of these packages are getting delivered, you're starting to see sporadically you're getting chargebacks, right? Now, you're getting chargebacks with anything you ship on eBay that people make claims for, then they're going to hold your money. And that's what I mean by a chargeback, right? But I'm going to tell you this, eBay in general, when you ship products, you're going to have some people that don't like the product, even if it's the real one, right? You get complaints. That's just business. But what happens is when you're literally locked in and you're shipping these and you're like looking at the profit, hoping to get that money, envisioning that money coming out, and all of a sudden all your money is put on hold and the people got the product already and you just sitting there waiting like, I'm trying to recoup my money, you're screwed, because then PayPal will, if you are doing PayPal, if you're the one sitting there just using bank to bank, you're going to have your bank hold your money. Now, when you go through this process, usually eBay will give you some leeway, but if it's a bunch of customers complaining, which it will be because you already charged them up that behind with the price for replicas, you're going to get your money taken because they're going to put it on hold, they're going to restrict your eBay, and you're screwed. That is what I'm trying to prevent, and that's why I always push selling these clones. It took me a long time to get clones. It took me a long time to find great clones. I'm not going to persuade you guys that, oh, all clones are good. They're not. They're not. But we have to find a way to solve problems. We can't do the same thing expecting a different result. You got so many people that watch my videos and like, oh my God, I'm going to watch it. I'm just going to look and see how I can list replicas. The secret is it changes every single week. So how are you going to sell effectively, right? How are you going to create your business? How are you going to make stable income and you're just literally trying to cheat the system, you know? So guys, I'm not here to just push these clones on you. I'm literally here to give you the feedback on why you should stop just selling replicas. Sell replicas if you want at first, but once you see it's not really worth it, just stop it. All right, guys. And lastly, I want to explain OEM versus clone. OEM is going to be a product that is made with the likeness of that said product and also has the same parts. It's made from basically the same warehouse. Okay. It's just not really, it could not have the signage. So promising if you have OEM headphones, like the regular iPhone headphones that you stick in, even the iPhone 7 headphones, you're going to have those products where they don't have the signage of that company and they're OEM because they have the same exact parts and they're from similar warehouses. But honestly, a clone is going to be the fact that it looks exactly the same, but it's missing every single copyright aspect. So that's the difference. So make sure you guys continue to make money work for you. And I'll see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and keep grinding. Make sure you guys join the academy too. I just got another academy member. Join that academy. The price will go up soon. We have weekly events. And most importantly, you get a product box as well every single month. So, all right, guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.